Well, she's got a bigger one than you do, so how about you help her roll hers, and then you can roll that one. Isaac, help! Not take over. A little bit bigger, Hope. Bigger. Isaac, help the girls.
Okay.
They have big ones, but it needs to be bigger if you want it to be the size of the one over there. Hers is breaking, Isaac. That's why she's groaning. That's why I said help. Instead of doing it yourself, help. Hope. Don't. Ugh. I appreciate the fact that you were trying to help, but you just dropped it, so you need to... The equipment for the snowman.
Yeah, the eyes and stuff. You know, you have to roll it.
Alright, Hope, roll it now.
This?
Mm-hmm. Like Brother's doing.
What are those melting?
Don't know.
Can I see the print of the dog? Print. You might not see them very well because I rolled over some of it. That's not even a ball. Mom.
Okay.
Why did you make a ball to roll? Guys, come here!
Looks like a ball.
Maybe we can make a snow fort and have a snowball fight. Maggie, what?
Maggie's been wanting to make a snowman. Let's try to make a snowman together. And then with the snow that's left, we'll make a snow fort. And I can't get it all on video because I need to help. So, I will give you I will send pictures of it. Yep, that looks like a dog print.
It looks like I can't even get it up anymore. Goofy's track. But
It looks like what?
It looks like Goofy's track.
Say hi, Hopi.
Hi.
Maggie and Isaac, say hi.
Hi, Maggie.
And that's a wrap.